skin health is a reflection of our overall well-being, and the foods we consume play a significant role in maintaining a clear, radiant complexion. Understanding the relationship between diet and skin can help us make better choices and address common skin issues. This video explores 8 foods that can negatively impact your skin health and offers advice on how to deal with these problems. Make sure that you stay until the end of the video to see the number 1 food that negatively impact your skin health. Before we continue, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. 8. Gut flora disruption. What causes the problems? The health of your gut flora has a direct impact on your skin. Foods high in refined sugars, processed foods, and certain antibiotics can disrupt the balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut, leading to inflammation and skin issues like acne, eczema, and rosacea. How can you fix it? Promote a healthy gut by consuming probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotic-rich foods include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, which help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Prebiotics found in foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus feed the good bacteria and support gut health. Examples of processed foods that you shouldn't eat: chips, frozen meals, fast food, foods high in refined sugars, candy, sugary drinks. Here are some healthier alternatives instead. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins. 7. Alcohol. What is the problem with alcohol? Alcohol dehydrates the body, including the skin, leading to a dull and tired appearance. It can also dilate blood vessels, causing redness and flushing, and over time, contribute to the development of rosacea. Additionally, alcohol can disrupt sleep, which is essential for skin regeneration. How to deal with the problems? Reduce alcohol consumption and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Incorporate foods high in water content, like cucumbers and watermelon, into your diet. Ensure you get adequate sleep and consider a skincare routine that includes hydrating products to combat dryness. Examples of negatively foods that impact your skin: beer, wine, cocktails, and spirits. Here are some healthier alternatives: herbal teas, sparkling water with lemon, fresh fruit juices. 6. Low-fat foods. What causes the skin problems? While low-fat diets can be beneficial for weight management, they often lack essential fatty acids that are crucial for maintaining skin health. Essential fatty acids such as omega-3s help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it moisturized and protected against environmental damage. How to deal with the problems? Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to maintain a healthy lipid barrier, reducing dryness and inflammation. Examples: low-fat or fat-free salad dressings, low-fat cookies and snacks, fat-free dairy products. Here's healthier alternatives instead: full-fat yogurt and cheese, olive oil or avocado oil-based dressings, nuts and seeds, avocados. 5. Vegetable oils. Vegetable oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, such as corn oil and soybean oil, can contribute to inflammation if consumed in excess. An imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can exacerbate inflammatory skin conditions like acne and eczema. How to help with the skin problems? Aim for a balanced intake of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Replace vegetable oils with healthier options, like olive oil or coconut oil, and increase your intake of omega-3 rich foods such as flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. More healthier alternatives: extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, flaxseed oil. 4. Processed protein. Processed proteins, such as those found in deli meats, sausages, and protein bars, often contain high levels of sodium and preservatives, which can lead to water retention and inflammation. These additives can exacerbate skin conditions like acne and eczema. How to deal with the problem? Opt for fresh whole sources of protein like lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes. These foods are less likely to contain harmful additives and provide the essential nutrients needed for skin repair and regeneration. Here are healthier alternatives: fresh chicken, beef, pork, and fish, eggs, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh. 3. Milk. Milk and dairy products can trigger acne in some individuals due to the presence of hormones and growth factors. These can stimulate the sebaceous glands, leading to increased oil production and clogged pores. If you suspect dairy is contributing to your skin issues, try reducing or eliminating it from your diet and observe any changes. Consider dairy alternatives such as almond milk, coconut milk, or oat milk, which are less likely to trigger acne. 2. Gluten-containing foods. Gluten, found in wheat, barley, and rye, can cause inflammation in individuals with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. This inflammation can manifest as skin issues such as dermatitis, herpetiformis, a chronic blistering skin condition. How to deal with gluten problems. If you suspect gluten is affecting your skin, consult with a healthcare provider and consider a gluten-free diet. Focus on whole gluten-free grains like quinoa, brown rice, and millet, which can support overall health without triggering inflammation. Here are some healthier alternatives. Gluten-free bread made from rice, almond, or coconut flour. Quinoa, brown rice, millet, and gluten-free pasta. 1. Sugary foods. Sugary foods can lead to a spike in insulin levels, which in turn triggers the release of androgen hormones. These hormones increase oil production in the skin, leading to clogged pores and acne. Additionally, sugar contributes to the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which damage collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and youthful. To mitigate the effects of sugary foods, limit your intake of sweets, sodas, and other high-sugar items. Opt for natural sweeteners, like honey or stevia, and increase your consumption of fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and support skin repair. Examples of sugary foods: candy sodas, pastries, ice cream, sweetened cereals. Healthier alternatives: fresh fruits, berries, apples, oranges, unsweetened yogurt with fruit, dark chocolate in moderation, natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Maintaining healthy skin requires a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, proper hydration, and a good skincare routine. By understanding what causes skin problems and how certain foods can negatively impact skin health, you can make informed dietary choices. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, and supporting your gut flora to achieve and maintain clear, radiant skin. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and go watch the next video here on the screen.